Just subscribe the button and click the bell icon and go to the and just click the link below for everything. Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to copy Facebook page link. If you have any question, click on the description and you will see everything on the website. Okay, visit our website. So for this purpose you have to just go to the any page. For example, you are going to the page and you want to copy the link of that page. So for this purpose you have to just go to the page. Okay, now I am going to any page. This is the group, and this is in my point of view, this is the page. No, I am going to correct pages. Okay, this is the page. Okay, for example, this is the page because here is a like button, is a message in the follower. Now just for example, you want to copy this, you have to click on the about. After about, where do you me more? Okay, when you click on the more, there is no more option, but this is a simple option with you. You have to just click on this three dot button. Okay, when you click on this three dot button, here is report profile block search invite friend, and there is copy link. Okay, you have to just click on the copy link. When you click on the copy link, the link will be copied and you can do anything. You can share it with your friend and families. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. If you have any question, click on the description and you will see the links.